Log on, we got this and that out, and the first thing to do is to strip everything off, and then we can wrap it in the matte black. For this, let's start straight with the lower bit. Boom! Phillips screwdriver and a craft knife. Trust me with that bit. First, we take out the cigarette lighter. Flipping it over, we got 3 screws and a rubber ting, 2 for the hazard switch, and we will attack the lighter holder ting later. Right, we got the rubber ting off. Let's put this to one side and let's get straight on to the next thing what we're going to do, which is taking the hazard lights off. Right, this is out. Now it's time for the more complicated part, the cigarette lighter. Let's go. This bit's more complicated as you need to line up the black clip thing with the 2 extruded silver things from the actual thing, and then whatever. You want to push down on it. Right, after you've twisted them, you've got the next part, which is, if you can wiggle this out, then try it. I can't. I don't see how possible these 2 arms will, wiggle out. So here comes the craft knife where I'm going to cut it, and it actually does work afterwards, and I think it's the only way to get it out. Boom, it's out. Now it's time to wrap it. What? Pow! Onto wrapping, we need wrapping paper, a squeegee if you need one, craft knife, scissors, something to clean the surface, and a hairdryer. Boom, we've got this done. It looks quite nice from a distance, but I mean, look at the bubbles in it when I shine it in the light. It's quite, I don't really like the wrap on it. I don't really like the wrap itself, to be honest with you, but this is it's finished. Now it's time to disassemble the main console. First of all, the 3 dials need to come off. You just pull them off. And I got a screwdriver underneath and pry them out. Turning it around, let's take off the base plate. You want to squeeze it and then pull up on the base plate to get it out. 3 screws to hold in this part. Once that's out, we now move on to the vents. 6 screws to take off this, and then the actual vent fins is a separate piece where you just take out. Next, you've got 4 screws holding the base plate in for the radio. There's also screws on the side of the radio which holds the base plate on, which you want to take out. Now there's 4 tabs to push in, and then that's how you're going to get the radio to come out and the whole unit comes forward. I don't know why it's a bit hard, but it's a bit hard for me. And finally, 2 screws for the 3 buttons at the bottom. Once this is done, let's get on straight to wrapping. Right, boom, done. There's a lot of bubbles on here. I don't even like the wrap, to be honest with you, but it does do the job for now. The actual vents itself were loose at the first part, but now they're stiff, and now we're finished with this, and it's time to put it back into the car. So yeah, overall, it actually looks good from far away. Looks quite nice, decent, but blood clot, frustrating and stressing to put on. So yeah, back to the car. Let's go. Pow. Yeah, it's alright, but here look, it doesn't sit flush, and there's a lot of bubbles, and it's just it looks nice for now. It's a bit of a disaster. Let's just Soon, soon we will do something, but at least it's colored than that grey. So for me, it's a win. Let's get straight on to another video, guys. This has been MotorAlli, and see you guys in another video. Pow!